Whoa, there you go, there you go. It settled back down. Yeah, that's good. Good? That's a good line. Just hang on. Woo. Good, good. Woo! Nice. That wasn't bad at all. I think Spencer might scrape pretty bad up here. That's good. Go a little bit passenger. Passenger. There you go. Come down. Come down. Good job. Keep coming. Keep coming. There you go. There you go. Good job. Keep coming. You're good. You're good. Okay, now you're gonna put your driver tire on this rock over here on the other side. Yeah. There you go. Not that hard. There you go. Keep coming straight. Good job. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. Good job. That's it. That's it. You're just going to scrape a little bit. That's it. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, I couldn't believe that was like 26 degrees. Good job. Good job. Keep it straight. And then come driver as you come down. Perfect. Perfect. There you go. A tire came off the ground a little bit. Good job. Slowly, slowly. Okay, good. Perfect. Okay, you should be straight, home free there. A little bit of scrapage. Yeah. Good job. Slow it down a bit. There you go, that's perfect. That's perfect, driver. Yes. Yes. Good job. Good job. That's it. That's it, go slow, go slow. You have it in first gear? Good job. Okay, careful coming off of it. Good. Excellent. Nice driving.